CNC CAD files, what is a closed shape and what is an open shape? Well, almost all the time for a CNC outline, we want a closed shape. We want a tool path. We want the first point to be connected with the last point so that we can just load that file right into a CNC cutting machine and then cut it out. So here I'm tracing the outline here. In the software, when I finish, I just click stop and it automatically connects the first to last point. I got a tool path here. I got a closed shape. Now what is an open shape? Well, not as common, but occasionally I want to trace a pattern, but I don't want the first and the last point to connect. So I just change it to an open shape, and then you trace your pattern. I got a curve here. I'm going to digitize it as a curve fit through points. And then I click stop. There's my curve, nice smooth curve. And you see the first and last point are not connected. That is an open shape. Now we also have an unconnected point. What's an unconnected point? Well, every once in a while, somebody just wants a point in their file. So we can digitize a point and it'll put those points in the file. So here I have points. I have an open shape, closed shape. Let's save the file.